In this video, I will show you how to collaborate in real time on Google Docs. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Open Google Docs and either create a new document or select an existing document. In the top right, you will see Share. Select that and choose who you share this document with. You can then choose if they are a viewer, commentator, or editor. You can add a short message and then select Send. As she joins, I will be able to see her cursor in real time. I can then use comments and suggestions to edit without changing the text. Simply select on a word, tap the text box, and add comment. I will say, let's change this word to something else. Then select comment. So she will now be able to see the comment I have made on that word. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.